If a girl asks you this, she's hitting on you, and how to respond. Hey there, it's Anna. Have you ever wondered if a girl is hitting on you based on the questions that she's asking? Well, today we are diving into this intriguing topic. We will explore the kinds of questions a girl might ask when she is interested in you and, importantly, how you should respond. Understanding the intent behind these questions can be the key to progressing your interaction in the right direction. By the end of this video, you will not only recognize these flirtatious inquiries, but also know the best ways to respond to keep the conversation flowing and the connection growing. Don't miss out on our essential bonus tip at the end of this video. It's a key piece of advice that can transform your interactions, making them more engaging and impactful. So stay tuned for this crucial insight that you won't want to overlook. What's a fun fact about you? Let's kick off with a question that often pops up during flirtatious conversations. What's a fun fact about you? This question is a clever and engaging way to delve into more personal territory. When a girl is hitting on you, she might use this question as an icebreaker to learn something unique and interesting about you. It's a casual yet intriguing way to invite you to share personal anecdotes or quirky traits. This question serves as a dual purpose. It allows her to get to know you better in a light-hearted way, and it also opens up the floor for more meaningful and personal conversations. It's a sign that she is interested in discovering the person behind the facade. In responding to this question, consider sharing something that is both true and interesting about yourself. This could be a hobby that you are passionate about, a unique experience that you've had, or even a surprising skill. Your response can set the tone for the rest of the conversation, so choose something that can lead to further discussion and mutual interest. Engaging with her question enthusiastically shows that you are open to the interaction and willing to share aspects of yourself. This kind of exchange can be the starting point for a deeper connection. What's your favourite food or restaurant? This inquiry about culinary preferences can be a clever setup for a future date. When a girl asks about your favourite food or dining spot, it's not just casual chit-chat. This question can have an underlying intention. She may be trying to find common ground or looking for ideas for a future date. Discussing food preferences is a relatable and enjoyable topic that can easily lead to deeper conversations. It's also a subtle way for her to gauge your interest in going out with her based on how you respond and whether you express enthusiasm about certain cuisines or dining experiences. In responding, you might share your favourite cuisine or a restaurant that you enjoy, and perhaps ask her the same in return. This exchange allows for a natural flow into talking about possibly dining out together. If you are interested, you could even suggest checking out a new restaurant together or visiting one of your favourite spots. It's an excellent opportunity to turn a simple question into plans for a date, creating that chance to spend time together in a relaxed and enjoyable setting. Do you have any hidden talents? It's a fun and engaging way for her to learn more about your unique skills. This question is often a playful and flirtatious probe into your more obscure abilities or quirky habits. When a girl asks about your hidden talent, it shows that she's interested in discovering the parts of you that aren't immediately obvious. This inquiry can lead to amusing and enlightening conversations, allowing you both to share and celebrate unique aspects of yourselves. It's a way for her to see beyond the surface and get to know you on a more personal level. In responding, consider sharing something that you are good at or enjoy doing but often don't really get to talk about. Whether it's a knack for solving puzzles, a talent for a musical instrument, or even a quirky party trick, these revelations can add depth to your character in her eyes. You can also turn the question back to her and ask about her hidden talents, fostering that two-way exchange that increases mutual interest and attraction. Engaging in this light-hearted topic can add a layer of fun to your interaction and potentially reveal more shared interests. What kind of things do you do for fun? This question can reveal her interest in your hobbies and leisure activities. When a girl asks about what you enjoy doing in your free time, it's often more than just small talk. She's trying to understand what makes you tick, what you are passionate about, and how you like to spend your time. This question can indicate indicate her desire to get to know you better on that personal level. It's an opportunity for her to discover your interests and see if there are any common activities you both enjoy. This shared interest can potentially be the basis for future dates or meetups. In response to this question, share the activities that genuinely excite you. Whether it's a sport, a hobby, a particular genre of movies or music, your enthusiasm in discussing these subjects can be infectious and attractive. Additionally, after sharing your interests, turn the question back to her. This not only shows your interest in her passions and hobbies, but also builds that conversation where both of you can find common ground and shared interests. It creates a dynamic interaction where both of you can explore potential activities to experience together. Now, before we jump into the next question, are you finding this video helpful? If so, a quick like and a comment would be fantastic. I'm eager to hear your perspectives and experiences. Do you work out to look fit? This is a way of complementing your physique while subtly inquiring about your fitness habits. When a girl poses this question, it's usually more than just a query about your fitness routine. It's a compliment to your physical appearance, indicating that she's noticed and appreciates your physique. This kind of comment can be a way for her to express attraction to you, wrapped in a casual conversation. It also opens up the conversation to talk about health and fitness, which can be a shared interest or a way to learn more about your lifestyle preferences. In responding to this question, you might briefly share your fitness routine or what activities you enjoy that keep you in shape. It's a chance to talk about a part of your life that contributes to your well-being and can lead to more in-depth discussions about lifestyle choices and interests. You can also take this opportunity to return the compliment or steer the conversation to her fitness interests. Engaging in this type of exchange can create a mutual understanding and potentially uncover shared hobbies or passions. Do you believe in astrology? If so, what's your sign? This question can open up a unique avenue for personal conversation. Astrology can be a light-hearted and intriguing topic. When a girl asks about your zodiac sign or your beliefs in astrology, it's often a way to initiate a more personal and intimate conversation. It allows her to delve into aspects of your personality and potentially find astrological compatibility. This question is less about the actual belief in astrology and more about creating a fun, engaging dialogue where personal traits and compatibilities can be explored in a whimsical way. Whether or not you believe in astrology, this question offers an opportunity to share and learn about each other's personalities. You can respond with your sign and any thoughts that you have about astrology, then ask her the same. This exchange can lead to discussions about personality traits, preferences, and even playfully speculate on the compatibility of your signs. Engaging in this conversation shows that you are open to fun and personal topics, which can help build rapport and deepen your connection. Bonus tip. A valuable bonus tip to complement these points is mastering the art of reciprocating flirtation. Now, this skill enhances the mutual connection and can elevate your interactions. Let's dive into why effective reciprocation is key and how it can make your conversations more dynamic and enjoyable. Reciprocating flirtation involves responding to her cues in a way that matches or complements her level of interest and playfulness. It's about reading her signals and engaging in a way that keeps the conversation flowing and exciting. This could mean offering playful responses, introducing similar questions, or gently escalating the flirtation if the interest is mutual. It's important to stay genuine and true to your own style while also being responsive to her approach. Effective reciprocation builds rapport, creates a comfortable space for mutual flirtation, and shows that you are both interested and adept at playful banter. Mastering the art of reciprocating flirtation is crucial in building a connection. It not only shows that you are attentive and interested, but it also makes the interaction more engaging and fun for both parties. Skillful reciprocation can turn a simple conversation into an exciting and memorable exchange. Now that you have learned how to spot her hitting on you, consider discovering the body language signs that she likes you, or check out the things that she says when she's been missing you. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.